So either you've got it on your phone and you can't remember how to stop it from your old phone when you set that up, or you finally got around to Googling it, as to be fair, it's getting far too annoying. Either way, let's stop those videos auto-playing in the YouTube app recommended newsfeed scrolling thing. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Hi, welcome back. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, I dare you. And by the way, if you are looking for an inexpensive but decent Android phone, check out our recent mystery box from Xiaomi. Yeah, spoiler alert, it's a phone. And a good one too. Anyway, open up YouTube and as you can see, videos are auto playing on that scrolling feed as you go down. It's annoying, isn't it? Not to mention using up data, and if you're on anything other than an unlimited plan, well, every bit of data counts. So, scroll back up, hit your profile right at the top and go to settings. Now don't be fooled, it's not in the autoplay section. That refers to another video automatically playing after the one you've just been watching has ended. Actually, come to think of it, yeah, that's quite annoying, so I'm gonna switch that off. Cool, double trouble. Does my head in that. So back in settings, and what you're looking for is general, and there, muted playback in feeds. Tap into that. Now, if you don't mind it, but it's the data usage that you're worried about, you can switch it to go for Wi-Fi only. So it'll only be when, you're connected to Wi-Fi. But yeah, it really annoys me. So I'm going to go in and just switch it off. And voila, coming out, nothing is automatically playing. No more auto playing, which isn't actually what it's called. And that's it. Again, if you found this video helpful, please do consider clicking the like button. It really does help out the channel. And if you do like this kind of thing, well, why not subscribe so you don't miss anything from us in the future. With that said, as always, my name's Adam. This is Musing of a Man. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, as you were.